Parentheses, what do we do with them? Well, you can basically think of it as this. It's a courtesy to show you when there is a negative number. See, if we didn't have the parentheses, it would look just like this, 4 plus negative 17, and it creates a log jam of all these signs right there. Um, it's supposed to be only around negative numbers, but you'll also see other books and tests where they'll put positive numbers in the parentheses as well, and it's not that big of an issue. As long as you start to realize that if there's only one number inside of the parentheses, so see this negative 17 is the only number inside of it, you can just do away with the parentheses. And you could think of it as, hey, this is nothing more than 4 plus negative 17. Now, the same thing's happening in these longer problems right here. So really, 17 is not in parentheses, but this negative 13 is in parentheses, and since it's the only number inside of it, I could think of it as plus negative 13, and then here's the plus sign right here. And since this is the only number inside of these parentheses, I can think of that as negative 3. So this big long number sentence right here is only 17 plus negative 13 plus negative 3. So don't let these parentheses cause you any anxiety. What do we do to solve when we have more than two integers? So here's an integer, here's an integer, here's an integer. Well, it's the same thing that you would do when you saw 2 plus 5 plus 3. Add two numbers together and find the sum. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and then add on the back number to that sum. 7 plus 3 is 10. So that's what we're going to do here, and there's different ways that you can do it. If you want, you could just go left to right since, we're just dealing with addition. So 17 plus negative 13 is 4. Pull down everything that you haven't used, including that plus sign. So 4 plus negative 3. And 4 plus negative 3 is 1. You can get the same answer, though, doing it in a different way. Some people, they love the fact that when they see two negatives being added together, they just jump on that. Negative 13 plus negative 3 is negative 16. And then they pull down the 17 plus. 17 plus negative 16 is 1. So it doesn't matter which way you start with it. When you're adding three numbers, just find two that you want to add together and add it to the third. That's how you deal with it.